Add material into crucible. The max capacity is 4 kg gold. Set the parameters such as melting temperature, melting time, vacuum time, pressure, etc. The supplier will set parameters before delivery. You can adjust accordingly. Start melting. It takes about 5 minutes for the metal to melt completely. After melting is complete, place the flask into the casting chamber and prepare to start casting. Remember to put a sealing ring on the flask to prevent air leakage. Click Casting. The machine will start casting automatically. After casting is completed, take out the flask and put it aside to cool for a while. Then put it in water to remove the plaster. Then put it in water to remove the plaster. Then cleaning, grinding and polishing to get the final product.